Dropshipping from AliExpress became one of the most popular and profitable dropshipping methods. This method is really easy and really comfortable if you know how to work right with this supplier, but the thing is that if you don't know how to pay right to this supplier, you will have a lot of headache in the beginning and you will struggle with paying them, and then your orders will be delayed. In this video I want to show you the top 3 payment methods to AliExpress, so you will avoid these problems from day one, and I will really show you how to avoid these problems and what to do from day one to avoid future problems. Hello everybody! So I think that this video is one of the most important videos that you should see if you want to do dropshipping from AliExpress. Because I will not only show you the payment methods, I will also show you the tip that will really save you a lot of headache and help you to start easily with the best way. So let's see. The first and for sure the most preferred payment method is PayPal. Let's choose any product just for the example. If I go here, I can see, not for this product, sorry, here, I can see here PayPal. But the thing is that PayPal is not acceptable for all of the products, as you already saw in this video. It's acceptable for around 50% of the products, and usually if you find a supplier that accepts PayPal for one product, they will accept it also for other products from the same seller. So remember, if you find a seller with one product that accepts PayPal, you can go and list all of the products from the same seller, because the results will be the same and the payment methods will be always the same for the same supplier. The second payment method is credit card. Now, for a lot of people, credit card may be a problem because of business cash flow and that you don't want to combine your business with your personal expenses, and I will show you exactly how to avoid this situation. But for credit cards, if you really want to work with credit cards, and usually this is really recommended, if you pass this problem of the cash flow, it's not a problem, because usually with credit cards you can get cashback. For example, if you are an American, you can get up to 5% cashback. If you are Israeli, you can get the fly card, which also gives nice credits for flights, and actually this is a money that we have on the floor. But if you want to work with credit cards, you need to remember one thing. I don't recommend you to work only with one credit card or only with one AliExpress account. Sometimes the bank or AliExpress will ask you for documents. Usually it will come from AliExpress side, and then you need to provide them some documents. This process is not a problem at all, but it will take between 3 to 5 business days to solve this situation. And we don't want to have delays with our orders, we don't want our clients to wait, and we don't want our reputation on eBay to go down. So in this case, I would open from day one at least 2, even better 3 different AliExpress accounts with different credit cards. You don't need to work with different IP addresses, you don't need things like this. You just need to work with more than one account, so when you get the verification request from AliExpress, you will have other 1 or 2 accounts that you can still continue and process the orders with them. Now, if you don't want to work with credit card or PayPal, here is method number 3. You can work with something which is called Pioneer, that actually I recommend you only if you don't have business credit card or you don't want to combine your regular credit cards with the business. But Pioneer is an online bank where you can get from them as many credit cards as you want, virtual credit cards, and the fees of transferring money from PayPal to Pioneer are free with our link that I can share with you. This is instead of 1% that they take. So Pioneer is a great method because this is an external bank account that you can really easily and immediately open. Then you can just ask from them for a credit card, link it to PayPal using the American bank account, and then you can pay using this credit card on AliExpress. This is really comfortable. In this method, I would also recommend you to open more than one AliExpress account. Now let's see how you get this 0% discount and how you get all of the benefits that I talked about. If you go and write Pioneer AutoDS, I created here another video in the past that helped a lot of people. This video shows you how to link Payoneer to PayPal, because actually PayPal doesn't allow it, but there are some special methods that help you to do this really easily. So if you go to this video, watch this video, follow it, it's really easy. You can see that it's just 5 minutes, and here in the bottom you have the link. If you click this link will take you to registration to Payoneer, give you $25 after you spend there some money. I'm not sure the amount, I think around $25, and it will give you immediately 0% discount, 0% for transfers from PayPal to Payoneer. This is a great method. The only thing is that they take a small percent for each transaction because their credit card is from UK, and this is the only minus using this method, but this is a not big percentage, and this is not big deal because we will make much more money using AliExpress. The profits there are huge. So just to make some conclusions. The best method is PayPal. If you find a supplier that supports PayPal, just work with them, list all of their products, and that's all. If you have a credit card with discount, it's even better than PayPal, because this way you can make also money for the purchases in the background. So in America you can get there some different credit cards with discounts. Just check with your bank. In Israel it's called Fly Card, and I'm sure that in any country you have something like this. And the third method is Payoneer, which is an online bank account. Don't forget, never start with only one account on AliExpress. Always split it to more than one AliExpress account, so you will not have problems in the future. I hope to see you making huge profits using AliExpress. Don't forget, you can ask me everything under this video in the comments. I promise you that personally I will go and answer any of your questions. Don't forget to like this video, share with your friends, and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more high quality and high value videos for free. See you on the next videos. Bye bye.